What's up, guys? So today I'm going to talk about the trade that I took yesterday during Asia session that made me $2,400 on my funded. I am trading Tradeify Select 50K funded account. As you can see, Wednesday I took a small little loss, which was honestly was actually yesterday morning, which was New York session, really, but it is what it is. But I took a small loss, $318. But then during Asia, I made a complete banger, making $2,400. So let me show you the exact trade that I took on Asia on NQ during Asia session that made me $2,400. Let me take this out. There you go. So let's start this off. Coming into the day, I am overall bullish, right? And the reason why I'm saying I'm bullish is I have a good drawn liquidity on the daily. And my drawn liquidity right here is these relative equal highs sitting right here in NQ. As you can see, we have relative equal highs on NQ, which is a good sign of low resistance liquidity. And when we have low resistance liquidity, that is a good drawn liquidity that price can potentially come up and take out all this low resistance liquidity and either continue up or continue down, whatever. But this right here was my drawn liquidity. And as you can see on the daily, what do we have? A change in state and delivery. What are we doing? Disrespecting bearish imbalances. We're disrespecting bearish imbalances. And what are we doing? Respecting bullish imbalances. I've seen that. We respected this daily imbalance. What do we do here? Respected this daily imbalance sitting right here. And all we're doing is just respecting daily imbalances and continue having a continuation to the upside. Going into the hourly, I'm also very bullish because as you can see here, what do we do? Got the change in state and delivery here. And what are we doing again, guys? We are disrespecting. Sorry about that. We are disrespecting bearish imbalances, right? And what are we doing? Respecting what? Bullish imbalances. We are disrespecting bearish imbalances and respecting bullish imbalance, which is showing good signs of what? Bullish momentum, bullish structure. So this day was CPI, right? This is, I'm trading Asia. But as you can see, CPI was this morning, was that morning. So this was CPI. Honestly, I wanted us to come out and take out this data low and maybe even this London low. But I really wanted this data low, the CPI low, to get taken down for then us to continue higher. But unfortunately, you have to work with what the market gives you. The market isn't always going to give you that perfect entry. So what did we do? We did not take out data low, but that's okay. I still took a trade. But as you can see, on the hourly, like I said, we are overall bullish. We got relative equal high sitting here. We got a change in state and delivery. So we go to the 15-minute. So on the 15-minute, as you can see, Asia opened right here. We opened right here on Asia. This was Asia open. And during Asia open, we had a strong delivery to the upside. As you can see, we have a huge bullish candle. This candle was, the closure was 42 points. But during Asia Open, when we had this strong bullish candle, what do? We created an engulfing candle. What an engulfing candle is where the body next to is bigger and it closes above the previous candle. So to have a bullish engulfing candle, this bullish candle has to close above this bearish candle on the body. That is showing us engulfing and showing us very strong buying orders coming into this market. So once I seen that we had this engulfing candle, when this body closes above the previous body, this leaves an order block. The order block is the last bearish candle on a bullish market. So as you can see, we have this bullish order block on this 15-minute. As I can see, I like that we have the volume as well engulfed. For me, when the volume also engulfs, not just the candle, it gives you more confirmation of buying orders. A lot of buying pressure is coming into this market. So bam, We got this big candle. We close up here, and what do? We came back down to retest this 15-minute order block. Once I see we retested this 15-minute order block, what did we do? We respected it, getting a change in state and delivery on this 15-minute as well. On this 15-minute, what did we leave? Another 15-minute order block sitting right here, because what did we have, guys? Since this candle right here closed above the previous body, this is called an engulfing candle. So let's go to the 5-minute. On the 5-minute, what did we do? We got a change in state and delivery as well. And what did we create? Another 5-minute order block. Guys, you can see we have this 5-minute order block, this 5-minute engulfing candle with the volume as well, showing very strong buying pressure coming into the market. So once I seen that, let me do my bar again. Sorry about that. I drew my fibs, right? So you got to change the state delivery here. I drew my fibs from this low to this high. So once I drew my fibs out, we are now in this range from this low to this high. So I want a price to come back down, tag into OTE, and what aligned perfectly with OTE? This 5-minute order block. So when I see that this 5-minute order block aligned perfectly with this OTE, this was giving me even more confirmation of a nice entry for buys. So, and I also see right above it, we have this imbalance as well, but let's see what we get. Bam. Price comes down straight, and I just set a limit. So I didn't really, look and waited. I set a limit right here on this 709 because this aligned perfectly with this 5-minute order block. So I set my limit. I got tagged into here. And what do we do? Run straight to what? TP, chat. We ran straight to TP. I initially had my take profit all the way up to here, to this New York PM high, but bro, I got stopped out of this at 11:05 p.m. and I wanted to go to sleep. But so I took this trade for a nice 123, almost 124 risks. Sorry, to 124 RR, making me $2,400, and that was a trade that I took on Asia. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to start making more recap videos. Even if I take an L, I'm going to start making more recap videos. If you guys really like to, like these trades, I'm on live on TikTok every single day. As you can see right below me, right here, it is my TikTok that I stream on every single day on New York Open. So if you guys want to see me trade live and you could potentially take the same trades I do, then join up on the live and join up on the channel, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. God bless you guys.